We are here today for the last and final day of the mentorship. We got old Alex over there ready to take down Greg for another $5,000. That'd be $10,000.
It's a nice 2 weeks.
That's a nice 2 weeks.
Final day here, big competition day. Feeling really confident, especially after yesterday. Rules today is whoever can make the best trade. I made some phenomenal trades yesterday. Hopefully, as long as we can copy and paste that to today, I think we're walking away with a W. Really excited, can't wait to get in there and see what happens.
Day 10, the mentorship has been awesome. Love trading with the guys. Today we've got $5,000 on the line. So since today is about playing it smart, making the better trades, I'm going to be playing it safe, waiting for really good setups. That's what I've learned over here the last 2 weeks, is not to just YOLO. You really have to be patient. There's only a couple really good trades every day. So that's what I'm going to wait for. I'm going to be patient, try to take the best setups.
You like the longs, the shorts, or are you just waiting because you're in the middle?
Well, we've got a lot of resistance down there at 871. Bounced off, I don't know how many times. So maybe we get another sweep and go long from there.
All right, Gregory, Mr. Smiles, what do you got over there?
Fortunately, 100% agree. or it's going to be the exact opposite. You know, or it's going to go up to, maybe it'll bunk its head at like 930 or something like that. And then if it breaks 930, maybe it's going up to 960s. And if it doesn't break 930, then maybe it's crashing back down.
I feel like this daily candle might just try to rip up here through the 24,000s. I mean, it really just depends on what the fuck news we have today. What do you know? Who's talking? What's saying? But overall, I'm bullish.
Nice basic tip would be, when you're trying to target your price target, is zooming out to the larger time frames, the 5 minute, the 15, the hour, zooming out, looking left, and then really targeting based on that, not just based on maybe this or maybe this, or so then again you can just squeeze a little bit more out of it each time.
What do you think the results were?
On who's gonna win?
Yeah.
Probably Greg. But I got...
It was close. It was like 43-53. 20 seconds, we got $5,000 on the line today. $5,000. Ooh, it smells real. It don't look real, but it smells real. Ooh. We've been building this up for 10 days now. Straight down so far, back there to the 890s. They popped it up, they dropped it down. Will they be able to hold this 23,900 level next? Maybe we dip down there, take out the overnight low, and then pop it back up. Straight down here, 860s now. Greg is in the short at the lows. Will he get paid here? What's your target? All the way down there, 818s.
Yep.
I like it. You're going for the fucking Mac Daddy.
Seriously.
I was thinking because we broke the 870s.
First trade of the day. Greg is not at that. Hey, it's all good. It's all good. Now on to the next one. Let that retest and then build out a flag. There's no flag there. You got short with there's no flag. There's no reason to get short there.
Yeah, just a momentum.
It's all good. It happens. Trust me. See, now we're kind of like building out a bit of a flag here. If we lose this like 860 area, then it'd be interesting to see if we take it down. But look at anything over there, Alex?
I mean, if we're gonna go higher, I would like to see it above the 910s.
Yeah.
What if we build out a little bear flag? I'll probably end up going short.
Good shout to Alex for not getting short until looking for that break through the 50s there. Good trade.
Gotta wait for that confirmation. That support's turned into resistance now. So I agree, if we break through that, I still wouldn't be looking for longs until we break above the 910, 911 area.
Fill order out there for Alex. 840s.
Do something.
Taking a little bit of profit. We're switching back. This is Greg's trade right here that you're looking at right now. He's got one contract left. He already covered two down there at the 40s. And now the Nasdaq's ripping back up here. Uh-oh. You got your target with that 820s for Gregory. Lose that 35 level. Get right to those 820s. Come on, Greg. Strong reversal back up. Alex taking a short there at the 53s. Covering some at the 40s. Taking the final there at the 15s.
Let's go.
Nice trade, nice trade, nice trade. Greg had the right idea, I think. I think it just tricky one on the stop there. We broke the opening range, right through the opening range, all the way down there. We got this next kind of low at the 790 area. Still going lower there, but it's the last day of the mentorship. I'm trying to be the #1 mentor on YouTube, okay? Gotta be patient, Greg. Still going lower, by the way. Oh my lord.
I think we have an inverse head and shoulders playing out.
Put your target on there and then fucking let's let it see if it hits.
910s.
Hell of a trade.
The opening range low, we broke back into it now. We got the VWAP coming up there. Greg is long from the 43s. Ooh, Gregory. This is your day to prove that you know what you're doing. So you tell me what would be better. Do you take a little bit of partial? Do you let it ride?
Yeah,
what do you think here?
You should take a little bit of VWAP because that's the safe thing to do.
We got Alex flat right now. We got Greg trying to get back into the green here. Alex had a nice little trade this morning, and Greg had one little fumble, second, maybe third, two little fumbles. Greg already knows there's only one song that is right for this moment. Come on, Chet.
We can do it.
You gotta want it, Greg.
Juicy little target.
I mean, I'm not gonna lie. If you get this If this hits your target, you guys might be tied back on the day. I'm not saying you're winning, but like it's gonna be at least like, you know, closer. What about now that we're above the VWAP?
I like it. I would
What
like
do you like long? You like longs anywhere?
to get above the support and the resistance right there at the 890s.
That's the best part is like this trade could literally take you from red to green. Like, just because you lose one trade does not mean the day is over and you gotta fucking go on tilt and blow up your account now. Come on, everybody is saying it's gonna sell, and right now you gotta pump this shit up, Greg.
Pump it up.
It's gonna happen here next. Holy shit!
like
Is the
that,
buy?
Daniel.
Is the golden buy going to work?
I mean, again, the 5 minute looks like we are just building out a really big bull flag. I'm hoping for an explosive move.
Back to the pivot point. Gotta save your life, Greg. This pivot point's gotta save Greg's life. I wouldn't say that was like a terrible trade by any means.
Bad trade.
You know, there was a few times you could have moved your stop up a little higher probably, but
Yeah.
still holding up there at the lows. Just keep adding. I got these micros here. Break those 800 level and see what we get down here. Is this not a profitable trade?
Nice. Let's go.
We're gonna see if Greg can make something happen here. The way this market's moving, it might not be the day for a comeback. Greg, you're long now? If your only trade of the day was the trade that you took, and then the only trade that he took, I'd have to really like look at it and figure it out. But the fact that you kind of blew it on that FOMO trade at the first 2 minutes, it wouldn't go long, it wouldn't go short. We went short, went long, we went back to short. Goodbye. Well, that's it, boys.
We did it.
The 10-day mentorship is done. I think the winner goes to Alex. $5,000.
Nice.
That's fake, but I'll get you the real stuff. Don't you worry. Peace to the Middle East.
We did it.
So end of the mentorship here. Man, 10 days. It's been a whirlwind experience. Thoroughly enjoy it. First off, huge thank you to PW for even doing this. I think it really set me up for success as well. I'm new to futures trading. I'm only about a month in. Seeing the course, seeing what he's talking about, and then actually sitting in that driver's seat and getting to trade for the first time. Absolutely incredible. Obviously not exactly the end to the day that I was hoping for. I had a couple plans today. They didn't 100% work out, but again, a little bit newer, so now I'm starting to read those lines a little bit better, and as long as we keep showing up, we'll keep winning. So really appreciate you guys watching me, and let's keep doing it.
All right, that's it. That's a wrap. End of day 10. This mentorship has been awesome. It's been an eye-opening experience for sure. Definitely learned a lot about myself as a trader and that it's possible to actually become profitable with discipline, patience, and an actual good setup. Before I came in here, I was kind of just all over the place when it came to being disciplined, and you know, I'd get in a trade and I'd go right into another trade the opposite way. So, you know, Pat's really helped me with my mindset, and also being in front of a camera in front of thousands of people has definitely made me more self-reflective on the trades that I want to take and not just YOLO and blow accounts. So it's been so much fun. Big thanks to Pat here. I'm excited to see how the BDH evolves, and hopefully I can come back. So thanks again.
All right, there it is. Day 10 of the BDH live mentorship. The first in the world. I don't know if it's the first in the world, but I felt like it was pretty groundbreaking. You know, it's one thing to teach a couple people behind closed doors in secret. It's another thing to do it live on YouTube with 5,000 people watching. We were breaking numbers. We were hitting highs, hitting lows. Today, the market up, it's down. Big moves either way. So people keep asking me like, what's the synopsis of it all? I don't really have one, man, because you know, Greg, Alex, they're on their own paths. They've got to kind of figure out trading for themselves. They got to kind of just do it. Coming here to the BDH and doing it for 10 days is not going to make them profitable, but hopefully they learned a little bit. If anything, they enjoyed their time here. We had some fun and made a little bit of money while we did it, and I think it was a productive time. It's been epic. It's been 10 days of fun and action, and the chat's been loving it. I think everybody had a good time, so I'm going to call it what it is. It was a good time, and I hope that Alex and Greg got something from it. I definitely learned a little bit more just about what I should focus on, how I can be a better trader, and what I can do moving forward to kind of be on top of my game. And that's it. That's all I got. Peace.